This is my Insignia air fryer, and it's time to let it go. So when I close it, sometimes it doesn't register. See, it's pretty much closed. To push it in, but even then, you see it's not even. If I turn it on and it heats up, let's try it. The hot air might cause it to open, and I'll shut it off automatically. So right now it's working fine, but basically it doesn't close properly anymore, so that's the reason why. Another reason why I'm getting rid of it. Another reason is, I haven't cleaned this in a while. The screws on this come off pretty easily, so I've had to retighten these screws. Other than that, it's been a pretty good air fryer. It's just time to let it go, and I'll just leave it at that. I like that it has presets for the different types of things you want to cook. As you can see, it's flashing a little bit over there. So for instance, I can just go click on, I think, the M button, and it'll switch between the presets, which are these. It does the French fries first, to the bacon, to what's it called, chicken. It's really easy to use, but sadly, because it shuts off on its own because of this thing doesn't close properly, it makes cooking a little difficult sometimes. My wife was complaining about it. So I'm gonna guys say bye to this air fryer. I've had good times with it.